If you're looking for contemporary construction in West Boca Raton, then no doubt about it, Lotus, Lotus Palm, and the brand new Lotus Edge are on your radar. Now, to understand these Lotus communities, you really have to look at them as sort of an evolution over 3 generations. They're all built by GL Homes. They all feature 100% modern elevations, and they're all split into 2 distinct categories: the Fiji Collection on 50-foot deep lots, and the Bali Collection on the deeper 62-foot estate lots. Since the first sale in Lotus in 2019, GL Homes has in each consecutive community design adjusted floor plans, upgraded baseline specs, and really focused on what the market was showing that they wanted. Lotus, located on Lyons Road just north of Clintmore, is a 100% completed resale community of 805 homes. This first generation launched with a pretty massive lineup of 16 different floor plans. The Fiji tier has 10 models, including some smaller entry-level 2-car garage plans like the Bora and the Maui, sitting just under 2,300 square feet, and the Bali Estate tier in Lotus has 6 models. A major benefit of buying in the original Lotus community is that it's a settled neighborhood with matured landscaping and an established community culture. In this Lotus development, the GL team created a winding layout featuring these cul-de-sacs intentionally designed to give a large percentage of the homes premium water views. 519 of the homes have a water view, so roughly 65% of the homes have a waterfront lot. The amenity feature at Lotus is a 26,000 square foot complex on 8 acres, anchoring a resort pool, full service pool bar, 6 clay tennis courts, and 5 pickleball courts. The original Lotus absolutely remains a top tier choice in the area. Next in line came Lotus Palm. Located slightly west of the Turnpike on Glades Road, Lotus Palm wrapped up construction in 2025 and is now completely sold, and any current opportunities are 100% resale, not new construction. Lotus Palm was built on an old golf course, so the development is smaller than its predecessor and sits at roughly 300 homes, less than half the size of the original Lotus. As you would imagine, because of this, Lotus Palm offers a more boutique, low-traffic feel. At Lotus Palm, GL realized that luxury buyers wanted more presence and storage. So they completely eliminated the 5 smallest 2-car garage models that were in the original Lotus lineup. They condensed the Fiji line down to 6 models, now making the 3-car garage Bermuda model the baseline entry point into the community. In the Bali Estate tier, they upgraded the plans into grand versions, pushing out walls, expanding window configurations for better natural light, and introducing the largest Santorini model to test the limits of estate sizing with a 4-car garage. For amenities, they kept the 26,000 square foot clubhouse scale, but focused on creating a more seamless indoor-outdoor experience by adding a beach entry pool, an interactive splash park, and a dedicated yoga garden. Now to the newest member, Lotus Edge. As of May 2026, Lotus Edge is about 50% sold and 80% built, so there are current active new construction opportunities available. With this newest generation, the standard features and infrastructure again took a leap forward. Inside the homes, a comprehensive smart home tech package moved from the upgrade list to now a standard inclusion, and the floor plans also got some reworking. The Fiji Collection currently features 8 models, ranging from that popular single-story Bermuda model, coming in at almost 2,600 square foot under air, up to the 2-story Corsica model, a massive 5-bedroom layout pushing nearly 5,000 square foot under air. It's worth making a note that the Bermuda model has appreciated well in Lotus and Lotus Palm, and the Corsica is a standout as well because it offers the best price per square foot in the Lotus Edge community. In the Bali Estate Collection, there are again a consistent 6 models, and in this luxury tier, finishes come standard. So every Bali Collection home is equipped with full Sub-Zero and Wolf kitchen appliance package, engineered wood flooring extended into the primary suites and loft areas, and handcrafted wood stair rails, giving that tactile, interactive luxury experience as a baseline feature. Also, all models across both collections are available in select and premium elevations, which the premium elevation is basically an upgrade to the architectural facade or the face of the home. At Lotus Edge, the amenity package really is the biggest standout though. The amenities at Lotus Edge represents the largest expansion in the entire lineup. Instead of the 26,000 square foot complexes seen in the first two generations, Lotus Edge steps up to a 39,000 total square foot lifestyle center, 13,000 square feet larger than the clubhouses at Lotus and Lotus Palm. At this larger facility, they shifted the focus towards athletic recovery, adding indoor air-conditioned sports courts, a full spa with private massage rooms, and commercial-grade cold plunge pools. Outside, they expanded the racket club to 10 dedicated pickleball courts and 2 lighted paddle courts, an asset you will not find in the previous 2 phases of Lotus. Right now, new construction starts are running at about 12 months, but when you're building new construction in a planned development, it's good to keep some flexible expectation on that timeline. As you can see, even though they all carry the Lotus name and have similar home aesthetics and models, they're all 3 distinct communities. With the original Lotus, you get a larger community, a higher likelihood of having a water view, and a larger selection of models to choose from, with some smaller floor plans that are not available in Lotus Palm and Lotus Edge. At Lotus Palm, you're getting a more boutique, intimate style of community. With Lotus Edge, you are paying a higher baseline price point, but the return is an upgraded interior package and the largest resort facility that GL Homes has built in this market to date. Even with all of this information, the truth is, analyzing these communities on a video is only the first step to matching them to your specific needs and wants. Whatever stage you're at, whether you just need a clean copy of the floor plans or you're at the stage of considering pulling the equity out of your current property to make a move, give me a call. Let my data-driven personal approach go to work for you. And remember, always call me before you visit the sales center. Let's make sure to protect your interests as a buyer right now. I'm Adam Gutmann, and I look forward to seeing you around town.